Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the local coach feature, which is for the affiliates who are trying to promote their affiliate product on Facebook using Facebook ads and other social media platforms that do not support affiliate links to be marketed. You know, if you market an affiliate link on Facebook, it will get blocked. So this is going to be a tutorial on that. So let me just dive into the JVS account and create an affiliate link for Vidis. And then I'll show you how you can use the Local Coach app to your advantage. We'll go to the product Vidis. I think this is nothing you should be concerned about, so I'm just pausing this video. Awesome. So as you might see, we have our affiliate link and we'll just copy this link. This affiliate link can be different for each and every platform. I'm using this affiliate link of JVC and we'll just add the affiliate link to the page URL section and we'll add a page title. What the title is it going to be? Various uh, sales page and then we'll click on create locker page, which will basically create a release which will basically create a HTML page. Uh, I shouldn't have added the .com, which is not the right extension. So we'll name it as HTML, and we're fine with it. So after you have created this index file, all you need to do is just uh, host this index file on your custom domain and turn the website on. I'll show you that. Let me just show you how this index page works. So whenever a person goes to this particular URL, which is what I'm going to show right now, uh, they will be redirected to the Vidis sales page without you having to use the affiliate link and getting the benefits of using the affiliate link. What is it? How does it looks like? I'll show you it right away. So I'll just go to my hosting account. Let me just get into my hosting account and show you how does it work. Awesome. So I'm in my hosting account and I want this. I just want to upload this page, this HTML document in my hosting. Um, so this is it. This is going to be the page. And after uploading the page, I'll just go to whatever link that it says. So for me, it's like willis.online slash uh, salespage.html. So I've hosted it successfully. You have to do the same, and then we'll click on enter. Awesome. Can you see that? Uh, the page is completely live and it's on your own custom domain. So you don't have to worry about you getting banned from Facebook for using this, for using your affiliate link. And this is not the complete page. So the buy buttons are not working, but in your case, it will work absolutely fine. And yeah, so this is a copy of the page that you are trying to promote. Uh, and I hope this helps. I hope this helps you understand what Local Coach does and how does it works for affiliates and for people who are trying to promote affiliate products. And if there's anything else you need to know, please let me know. I would love to help you in this. You can use the support chat in the footer of the software to reach out to me, and me or my teammate will be there to help you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.